Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very special moment.
Yes, hello everyone. This is special because, well, Maya, tell them.
This is the very first episode of our new podcast, English Day by Day.
Episode number 1. I'm so excited to be here.
I am excited too. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo.
We created this podcast to help you improve your English in a natural way, just by listening.
Yes, no stress, no exams, just a conversation between friends.
Exactly. We are going to learn together, day by day. So, Leo, for our first episode, how are you feeling?
I'm happy, Maya, but to be honest, I'm also very tired.
You are tired? Why is that? Did you go to bed late last night?
No, I went to bed early, but this morning was difficult.
I think I understand. Mornings can be very difficult.
Yes, I heard my alarm clock. It was loud, beep, 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 but I just could not move. My body was heavy, my bed was warm. I wanted to stay there forever.
That is a very common feeling, Leo. I think almost everyone feels that way sometimes, and that is actually our topic for today.
Really? We are going to talk about being tired?
We're going to talk about mornings. Specifically, we're going to talk about two very important verbs, two verbs that students often confuse.
Which verbs?
The verbs are wake up and get up.
Wake up and get up. I use them both, but are they the same thing?
No, they are not the same. They are very different, and knowing the difference is important for telling stories about your day.
Okay, I am curious. Can you explain the difference?
Of course. Let's start with wake up.
Okay, wake up.
Think about sleeping. When you sleep, your eyes are closed, you are dreaming, your brain is resting.
Yes, that is the best part of the day.
Agreed. Now imagine the alarm rings, or maybe the sun comes through the window, or maybe your cat jumps on you.
Or my dog barks.
Exactly. Something happens and you stop sleeping. You open your eyes. You are conscious. That moment, that is waking up.
So waking up is just opening my eyes?
Yes, it's the moment you stop sleeping. You are in your bed, but you are awake.
Okay, so this morning I heard the alarm at 6:30. I opened my eyes, so I woke up at 6:30.
Perfect. You woke up at 6:30. The past tense of wake is woke. Repeat that for me, Leo. I woke up at 6:30.
I woke up at 6:30.
Very good. Now, let's talk about the second verb, get up.
Get up.
You are in your bed, your eyes are open, you are awake, but are you up?
No, I am still under the blanket.
Exactly. Get up is the physical action. It's when you move your body. You take the blanket off, you put your feet on the floor, you stand up.
So getting up is leaving the bed.
Yes, it's the action of leaving the bed.
Okay, let me think about my morning again. I opened my eyes at 6:30, so I woke up at 6:30, but it was cold, so I stayed in bed. I checked my phone, I looked at Instagram.
Oh, the phone trap. That is dangerous.
It is very dangerous. I looked at my phone for 20 minutes. Finally, at 6:50, I left my bed and went to the bathroom.
Okay, so in that story, you got up at 6:50.
I see the difference now. I woke up at 6:30, but I got up at 6:50.
That is a perfect sentence. Listeners, can you hear the difference? Let's practice. Repeat after Leo. I woke up at 6:30, but I got up at 6:50.
I woke up at 6:30, but I got up at 6:50.
Excellent. You know, Leo, this reminds me of a story, a small disaster I had last week.
A disaster? Oh no, tell me.
Well, it was Tuesday. I had a very important meeting at 9 a.m. I needed to leave my house at 8 a.m.
Okay.
So I set my alarm for 7 a.m. I thought, this is perfect. I have 1 hour to get ready.
That sounds like a good plan.
It was a good plan. At 7 a.m., my alarm rang. I woke up. I opened my eyes. I turned off the alarm.
Did you get up?
No, that was my mistake. I did not get up. I thought, I am just going to close my eyes for 5 more minutes. Just 5 minutes.
Oh, Maya, that is the classic mistake. 5 more minutes.
It is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. Just 5 minutes. So I closed my eyes. I was warm, I was comfortable, and I fell asleep again.
Oh no, what happened?
The next time I opened my eyes, I looked at the clock. It was 8:15.
8:15, you were supposed to leave at 8 o'clock.
Yes, I woke up at 8:15. I was shocked. My heart was beating fast. Boom, boom, boom. I jumped out of bed. I literally jumped. So I got up at 8:15.
Wow, you got up very fast.
Very fast. I didn't have coffee. I didn't eat breakfast. I just put on my clothes, brushed my teeth, and ran out the door.
That sounds terrible. I hate rushing in the morning.
Me too. It was a stressful day, and it all happened because I woke up, but I didn't get up.
You know, Maya, this is a great lesson. The time between waking up and getting up is a danger zone.
A danger zone. I like that. Yes, it is.
I have a question about this danger zone.
Go ahead, Leo. Ask me.
Many people use the snooze button. S-N-O-O-Z-E, snooze. Is that good or bad?
Ah, the snooze button. That is the button you press to stop the alarm for 9 or 10 minutes.
Yes, I love that button. I press it 3 or 4 times every morning.
3 or 4 times? Leo, that is terrible.
Is it? Why? It feels so good to sleep a little more.
But are you really sleeping, or are you just waiting for the alarm to ring again?
Well, I am sort of sleeping, but not deeply.
Exactly. Experts say that snoozing is bad for you. It makes you feel more tired. We have a word for that. We say you feel groggy.
Groggy, that's a funny word. G-R-O-G-G-Y.
Yes, groggy means you feel confused, slow, and sleepy. If you use the snooze button too much, you will feel groggy all morning.
That explains a lot. I often feel groggy until I have my coffee.
Speaking of coffee, that's usually my motivation to get up.
Motivation is important. If I have a good breakfast waiting for me, it's easier to get up.
What is your favorite breakfast, Leo?
Oh, I love eggs and toast and coffee. Definitely coffee.
That sounds delicious. You know, Leo, we should ask our listeners about this.
Good idea.
Listeners, we want to know about you. Are you like Leo? Do you use the snooze button, or do you get up immediately?
This is a great question. In the comments, please tell us, do you use the snooze button? Yes or no?
And since this is our first episode, if you're enjoying this conversation and you're learning new vocabulary, please consider subscribing to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us create more episodes for you. And if you click the like button, YouTube will show this video to more students.
Thank you for your support. Now, Leo, let's go back to our topic.
Yes, waking up and getting up.
There's another interesting concept. We talked about weekdays when we have to work, but what about the weekend?
Ah, the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, my favorite days.
Mine too. On the weekend, I don't use an alarm clock.
Me neither. I sleep until my body wants to wake up.
We have a phrasal verb for that too. When you sleep longer than usual because you don't have work or school, we say sleep in.
Sleep in. Can you give me an example?
Sure. On Saturdays, I usually sleep in until 10 a.m.
Wait, does that mean you're sleeping inside?
No. It doesn't mean inside a place. It means sleeping later than normal.
Ah, okay. So Monday to Friday, I wake up at 6:30, but on Sunday, I wake up at 9. So on Sunday, I sleep in.
Exactly. You sleep in. It's a luxury. It feels wonderful.
I love sleeping in. But Maya, is sleeping in the same as oversleeping?
That is a very smart question, Leo. No, they're different. And the difference is important.
Okay, tell me, what is oversleeping?
Oversleep means you slept too much by mistake. It's usually a bad thing.
A bad thing? Like your story about Tuesday?
Yes, exactly. On Tuesday, I wanted to get up at 7, but I woke up at 8:15. I overslept. It was a mistake.
I get it. So sleeping in is a plan. It is nice. Oversleeping is a mistake. It is stressful.
Perfect. You explained it perfectly.
I have a story about oversleeping.
Oh, tell us.
When I was in university, I had an exam, a very important history exam.
Oh no, I am nervous already.
The exam was at 8 a.m. in the morning. I studied all night. I went to sleep at 3 a.m.
That is very late.
Yes, I was exhausted. I set my alarm for 7 a.m.
And?
And I didn't hear it. I didn't hear the alarm. I kept sleeping.
Oh, Leo.
My roommate came into my room. He shouted, "Leo, it's 8:30."
8:30? The exam started at 8.
Yes, I overslept. I woke up, I put on my clothes, I think I put my shirt on backwards, and I ran to the university.
Did you take the exam?
Fortunately, yes, the professor was kind. He let me take the exam, but I was so stressed. I learned a lesson that day.
What was the lesson?
Never study until 3 a.m. before an exam. Sleep is important.
That is a very wise lesson. Sleep is essential for our brains.
Maya, I want to talk about morning people.
Ah, yes. Morning people versus night owls.
Yes. Are you a morning person, Maya?
I think I am. I like the morning. I like the quiet. I like to drink my tea and watch the sun come up. I feel productive in the morning. What about you?
No, absolutely not. I am a night owl.
A night owl. An owl is the bird that is awake at night.
Yes, I have more energy at night. At 10 p.m., I am ready to work. I am creative, I want to read, I want to watch movies, but in the morning, I am a zombie.
A zombie. That is a funny image. But it is difficult if you are a night owl but you have a morning job.
It is very difficult. That is why I drink so much coffee.
You know, Leo, there are some tricks to help you get up easier, even if you are a night owl.
Please tell me, I need help.
We mentioned one before, light.
Light?
Yes, sunlight tells your brain it's time to wake up. So when your alarm rings, try to open the curtains immediately or turn on a bright light.
Okay, light. Open the curtains.
Another trick is water. Drink a big glass of water as soon as you get up.
Water? Not coffee?
Water first, then coffee. After sleeping for 8 hours, your body is dehydrated. You need water. It wakes up your brain.
That is interesting. I usually go straight to the coffee machine. Maybe I'll try water tomorrow.
Try it. Put a glass of water next to your bed tonight. When you wake up, drink it.
I will try that. Do you have any other tips?
One more. Put your alarm clock far away from your bed.
Far away, but then I can't reach it.
Exactly. If the alarm is next to your bed, you can turn it off and stay in bed. You don't have to move.
That is true. I just reach out my hand and click. Silence.
But if the alarm is on the other side of the room, you have to get up to turn it off.
Oh, that is clever. But it's also cruel.
It is a little cruel, but it works. Once you are standing up, you're up. The hard part is finished.
You're right. If I'm already standing, I might as well go to the bathroom and start the day.
Exactly. You force yourself to get up.
Okay, I'm going to try these things. Water next to the bed, alarm across the room, and open the curtains.
Good luck, Leo. I think it will help.
I hope so, because I don't want to oversleep again.
Me neither.
Maya, before we finish, can we review the vocabulary one more time, just to be sure?
That's a great idea. Repetition helps us remember.
Okay, so wake up is,
Wake up is when you stop sleeping and open your eyes.
and get up is,
Get up is when you physically leave your bed and stand up.
and sleep in is,
Sleep in is when you sleep later than usual on purpose, like on the weekend.
and oversleep is.
Oversleep is when you sleep too late by mistake.
Perfect. I think I have it.
I think you do too. And listeners, I hope you have it too.
We would love to hear from you in the comments. Remember to answer our question. Do you use the snooze button?
And tell us, what time do you usually get up during the week?
Yes, write your sentence like this. I usually get up at and put the time.
We read all your comments. We love to see where you're from and what your routine is.
And don't forget to click like if this episode helped you. It's a small click for you, but a big help for us, especially because this is our first video.
Well, Leo, I think it's time to go.
Yes, I'm feeling more awake now. This conversation woke me up.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for listening, everyone. Remember, learning English is a process. Just do a little bit every day by day.
That's right. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep practicing.
Have a wonderful morning, a wonderful afternoon, or a wonderful evening.
Whenever you're listening, we hope you have a great day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.